In this video, we'll go over the new options added to the FlexReg tool, part of the automated dental tools extension for 3D slicer. FlexReg generates a butterfly patch on intraoral scans, and you can now fine-tune the shape and position of that patch using two sets of parameters. The first parameter is the ratio, and there's one for each of the 4 points: anterior left, anterior right, posterior left, and posterior right. The ratio controls how far each landmark slides along the line connecting the left and right tooth centroids. With a ratio of 1, the landmark sits exactly on its tooth centroid. As you decrease the ratio, the landmark moves inward, toward the opposite side of the arch. In practice, this lets you control the width of the patch. Lower ratios narrow the patch toward the midline, while higher ratios keep it wide, spanning the full distance between the selected teeth. The second parameter is the adjust value, again available for each of the 4 points. While the ratio moves landmarks side to side, the adjust parameter shifts them along the front to back axis. A positive adjust on the anterior points pushes them forward, toward the front of the arch. A positive adjust on the posterior points pushes them backward. This lets you control the length of the patch, extending or shrinking it in the anterior and posterior directions independently, without changing which teeth it's anchored to. Once the 4 landmarks are placed, the tool connects the 2 anterior points with a straight segment, and the 2 posterior points with another. The left and right sides are then closed, which gives the patch its characteristic butterfly shape. So to summarize, the tooth numbers define where the patch is anchored, the ratios control its width, and the adjust values control its length. Combined, these 2 parameters give you full control over the butterfly patch on any intraoral scan. Thanks for watching.